Hello there. I've got a NES. I've actually got a couple of these, but they all have the same problem. And I think it's a relatively easy fix, but the issue is you switch it on and the red light flashes on and on. And I think it's because it's essentially just resetting the device. The core issue seems to be that the cartridge slot is really quite loose. I don't know, it just falls out of there. And I've tried contact cleaner. There's some people that actually say you can boil these and it will fix it. Yeah, I've already disassembled most of the parts on it. And I've got a replacement edge connector on the way back. But I think the core issue is that when you put the cartridge in there and you push the lid down, this whole assembly bends like this. It's kind of spring-loaded. And I don't know, I might try boiling it and see what happens. See if that fixes it at all. I'm supposed to be able to do that for 10-15 minutes. But I've never had a Nintendo part before. It's kind of interesting. But this is the 6502 CPU here, and this is the PPU, the video chip, and here is the working RAM, and here is the video RAM, and I think that's 16 kilobytes of memory. And then there's a video modulator right there. And then completely, I believe it's completely unused expansion connector. And then you have player 1, player 2, and power. So let's try boiling the connector. So I finished boiling this and I actually retested it already off camera and it did not fix the problem. And I guess the next big step is to use dental picks to readjust all of these. So, which I might try later, but until then I got a replacement on eBay. It's like $9. It says Cool Sam's original NES store. Now I need to find a penknife to open this, so let's use this guy here. And this guy away. The knife again, actually. And it looks and feels like the original. You can tell the plastic mold's a bit different. And this guy, it's a bit tricky, but there's a little lip right there that goes under the front. To the front of the unit? Yeah. Wait a second here. Yeah, this is the wrong way around. All in all, it's kind of a weird game console the way it's assembled. Yeah, so then I just slide this over that. And eventually there's some screws that go down through it. I think. Yeah, there we go. And that part slides in over the top of this. And then this connector here slides in over there, so you just have to reattach player 1 and player 2. And originally I said this was a DC power connector, but it's actually the power switch and reset switch. My mistake. There, and at least it's ready. Yeah. Yeah, with that I can test it actually. Okay, so I have Marble Madness. Pretty fun game. No flashing light, and oh, it's fixed, it works. Just pan up a bit. Alright. Let me find a game controller and try this out. I'm not sure which one. Oh! Alright. So I only have one other cartridge, so let's test that. See if it works okay too. I would say this machine works just fine now. It's working perfectly. Well, thanks for watching. Have a lovely weekend.